Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add multiple floating images in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my dump website. Let me log in. And after that just we need to install a plugin. Here you can see this is the plugin Divi SuperMe Pro. Just I can upload the plugin file. And here you can see the plugin file name SuperMe modules for Divi, and it will take just few seconds for the plugin installation, and you will get multiple modules when you get this plugin. Here you can see, and it contains almost 50 plus modules that you can use: flipbox, text divider, gradient text, and SuperMe image. Okay guys, you can see plugin is installed. Just activate, and now also activate this light variant. Then let's go back to the pages and let's enable Divi Fuel Builder. You can also view this page, and when you have installed Divi theme, you will get this button on the top of every page, enable Fuel Builder. And here you can see these are various sections that are designed with Divi Builder. Now let's scroll down and add a new section. Let's click on plus icon, then add a regular section. Then here I can select 3 column row, and after that click here plus icon to add a new module. Search for floating images. Here you can see this is a module. Then here we can add some images. Let's add image 1. Then after that duplicate and add a different image. Now here you can see how it works. Then scroll down and go to design tab. Then here you can see sizing. You can increase the height, you can increase the width, as well as here you can see these are various other basic options. So in this way you can easily add floating images in your Divi WordPress website.